Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black appearance package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust. You got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear. We also have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, as well as blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system. We got 2 cup holders right there, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 right there. And of course you can always lift this up for extra storage and fold this down if need be. And we do have a nice twin panel moonroof. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leathering we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space, and we do have our parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, lights in general, blind spot, and tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer sitting at 73.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have our toggle for a menu, phone, media, cruise control, volume, and voice just right there. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have, My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, no towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continuing to look here, you do have your speed adjusters on your leather-wrapped gear shift, plenty of space right here, and this does collapse. 2 cup holders. You got a nice leather-wrapped center console because this does fold out, giving you a nice workbench. You also have wireless charging pad with the USB and USB-C. And lifting this up, you do get a fair bit of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. You have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats plus dual climate, volume tune, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get volume here, storage there and in the glove compartment. You have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view your vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction. You also have storage up there as well. And we have our features for a twin panel moonroof, which is pretty handy. And we do have a nice rear window opener. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, your phone, navigation of course, your fave app, which you can select from here, such as messaging, email, your Wi-Fi hotspot, apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any app you've downloaded, and your settings, and your features of your vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA36854, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.